Hey, compliance officer, we get it. Regulators are turning to data and technology for oversight of your employees' personal trading, certifications, and other activities. As a compliance professional, you are accountable for the data you keep. You need to see what regulators see. Your job and your firm's reputation rely on it. But how can you trust the data is accurate, comprehensive, and clean, and provides you with the insights you need to proactively stay ahead of risk? After all, you are in compliance, not technology. The mobile-first Complysci platform offers the most extensive range of data and application integration capabilities in the trade monitoring industry, forming a virtual control room so you can see everything on every screen at any time, anywhere. And your employees will love it too. Powered by our Risk Data Engine, a best-in-class data aggregator, normalization, and analytics platform, with direct broker feeds from over 100 brokers, plus access to data from many hundreds more, bringing up-to-the-minute information tailored to your needs. The Complysci platform is automated, scalable, and dynamic. It ensures that workflows and certifications align with your firm's organizational structure, large or small, from simple to highly complex. With real-time modifications to roles and workflows, it does the work so you can get back to focusing on what matters, staying ahead of risk for the protection of your firm's assets and reputation. Nearly 800 financial firms around the globe stay ahead of the curve with the Complysci platform. And with a 97% client retention rate, we must be doing things right. We are Complysci, and we are here to help you stay ahead of risk.